Hi everyone, and welcome back to Quick Design 101. This video is to show you how you can really make good looking projects even if the only programs you have access to are basic Office applications such as Microsoft Word. Alright, so for this project I'm just showing a simple title page for a report that you might be printing out to give to the rest of the department or maybe to take to a meeting. So a title page is a really great way to just make your document stand out. I mean, it is a report, but it's a great way to show that you know how to communicate visually. So first of all, this is kind of boring the way it is. And the first thing I notice about it is that the font isn't really working for this application. So Times New Roman is a great font. It should definitely be one that you use often. It's very professional looking. It's easy to read in large blocks of text. But for a title page, I think we could go with something a little more modern and interesting. One of my favorites to use is Century Gothic. I use it a lot. It's very clean, very modern looking, very easily readable, and it comes on a lot of machines standard. You could also do Arial. Just look through, find something modern and clean, something that fits the report that you are doing. Nothing too cutesy, nothing really fancy. You want it to be clean and simple. So the second thing is this center alignment it's okay, but it could be better. So one of the things that's really popular now is very clean. So I like left aligned a lot because it just looks very modern, clean, and the alignment looks a lot better. Alright, so already looking better. Let's add a little more space between these. I like the idea of having this down at the bottom of the page. Yeah, about like that. And then also we need to make sure that the most important thing is also the largest. So the quarterly report is definitely the thing we want people to see first. So let's make that just a hair bigger. And we're going to make this quite a bit smaller. Alright. And let's actually add a little bit of space between those two as well. And we can make this a little smaller also. Okay. Now the black is nice, but something that might be a little bit better is leave the main title black, and then we can make these a nice dark gray. A color scheme I use a lot for professional things is a nice orange with a dark gray and black. The orange gives a little pop of color, adds some interest. Gray always looks clean and modern, works really well, prints nicely, and then of course black is good to add visual weight to titles and make them look like they're the most important thing. So to make it a little more interesting, let's add a line. Here under Add Objects, there's a line option, and we're just going to go for this one here. Start at our margin, and if you hold Shift, it will automatically give you a straight line. Alright, and we can go down here, choose orange under Color, Weight, and Fills. Your toolbars might be a little bit different, but you can find all of these options. And let's make it a little bit thicker. Alright, there we go. Now that looks nice. Let's move this over a little bit actually. Select our line. Okay, there we go. Now I have things aligned a little bit here. Alright, so looking better already, and that was just really quick steps, easy changes to make your title page look more professional.